Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how I turn my whole jean pants into this beautiful skirt. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the seams on the inside of the leg. I will also remove the front crotch depth to below the fly. I'll be leaving the fly alone. I end up pulling it like this because my seam repair was too small and it was taking a lot of time. So please don't do yours like this because I end up ripping my jean, but I was able to amend it. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the... Once I'm done with that, I went ahead to open the seam of the back crotch depth, and I also loosened the band too, just to take in the waist. I went ahead to pin my back crotch depth together so it will be in a place, like it will not move around while I'm cutting. I will be drawing a straight line from my waistband to my pants length. Just eliminate that crotch depth. Just eliminate that back crotch depth. This is just a DIY. Like, it is not a how-to kind of video. It is more like a documentation of what I'm doing. Once I'm done with that, I went ahead to join my back seams together. For the front crotch depth, once I'm done losing it, I will just be laying it flat, like laying it flat on each other. Then I'll try to figure out how I want it to be, like how deep I want it to look. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so... This is how the final project looks like. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.